Welcome to the Aeonmed Home Care Product Series. Today, we'll look at the installation of the AS Series CPAP and Auto CPAP machine. The installation is pretty easy. You only need to connect the power to the device and the tubing to the air outlet. Don't forget to connect the mask. Let's take a closer look. First, insert the air filter into the main device. Insert an SD card to record your data. The clip at the back of the humidifier is for attaching and detaching the humidifier. Let's connect the humidifier with the main device. Hold the press button to release the water tank. Fill in the water through the water inlet, no higher than the maximum level. Make sure to only use distilled water or purified water for your health purposes. Make sure to dry the shell of the water tank before inserting. Hold the press button to insert the water tank. Connect the tubing to the air outlet. Now you can start to use the CPAP. To begin ventilation, push the power button on the left of the device. Or you may tap on the power icon on the touchscreen device. Thirdly, you may tap OK at the bottom of the device. Your fourth option is to activate the auto on functionality and breathe 3 times through the mask. We wish you a quality sleep.